Hi everybody, I just got home and went out back, walked into the field back there, so briefly looked down and found this huge piece of that quartz stuff. I haven't washed it off yet, but it has fingerprint spots on the top. Your finger fits in there so perfect. And look at the recessed beak and the wiggly kind of feather pattern at the back. Thank you, faces in the stone, for recessed beak. And this is like the flat side. It's so smooth. It's that really, really smooth, awesome quartz stuff. Oh, wow. This is like this whole scooped out area. It's like dark and blue almost. Panther head. I don't know. There's definitely a bird, a bear, and a panther, I think, though, so far is what I've seen. Once I get it here, let's wash it off real quick. Sorry, someone's mowing the lawn. Oh, I think this is on. Nope. Darn it. Hang on. Oh, sorry for the shakiness. Let's do this. I have other ones that look just like this that I found back there. As soon as I saw the mud, I mean, what color it was and the quartz stuff and the creaminess, I knew what it was. Maybe I shouldn't have washed it off. Wow, that's really a panther head or something, or a bear face. I'm excited. This and that pink stuff are my favorite ones to find. Is it even coming across? Oh, it feels so amazing to hold this one. There's this part right here that indents in. So this was also a tool, probably for cracking nuts. It's a very small hand that held this. And then there's, I think, the thumb and a smaller finger spot right there probably for squashing all that, the guts off skins, and like where they would go like that. And I don't know. I don't know what they did. What am I talking about? Who knows? Maybe it was just a toy or something, or like an action figure, something that they This was a settlement though, so I know it. But I gotta get going, so I just wanted to show that really quick. Have a great day. We gotta get going.